Welcome to this step-by-step guide on using NotebookLM to transform your exam preparation. This video focuses on actively mastering your study material using this high-contrast method. Say goodbye to passive reading and drowning in PDFs, the old way. NotebookLM introduces the new way, interactive knowledge and active mastery, with AI as your assistant, not a replacement. Our process follows the SMART study cycle: input, processing, retention, and mastery. We will walk through each phase of this methodology. Phase 1 is input, where we create the container. Access the tool, initialize a new notebook, and give it a specific name like Biology Exam, May 2026. Still in Phase 1, we feed the AI. Upload PDFs, slides, notes, or URLs. Remember the core concept: garbage in, garbage out. The AI only uses what you provide and does not browse the web. Phase 2 is processing, starting with instant structure. Click Study Guide to turn your raw uploads into a revision roadmap instantly, featuring key concepts and topic summaries. Next, interrogate your notes. Use the chat function to ask questions like, "Explain cellular respiration using my class slides." The answers are cited directly from your uploads. Phase 2 also includes visualizing connections. The tool auto-generates mind maps. This allows you to understand the relationships between concepts before memorizing specific details. Phase 3 is retention, focusing on active recall via flashcards. Set your topic, difficulty, and card count for quick recall practice, converting terms into memory. Also for retention, practice testing via quizzes. This helps you test your logic and comprehension before the real exam, allowing you to identify weak points early. For learning away from the screen, use the audio overviews feature. Generate podcast-style discussions of your notes for auditory reinforcement while commuting or exercising. Phase 4, Mastery, involves the revision workflow loop. This is a 4-pass system of holistic reading, recall practice, deep dive Q&A, and reinforcing with audio. Repetition and active recall equals retention. Follow these best practices. Ensure completeness by uploading all core texts. Use chunking to organize materials by topic. Customize your prompting, and use the generated tools daily. Be aware of critical limitations. It is source dependent, so verify all outputs against your textbooks. Remember the golden rule: NotebookLM is a tool, not a brain replacement. Here is a quick cheat sheet summarizing the tools and their purposes, from study guides for overview to audio for ear-based revision. Export to Drive and start now.